open. They're off and racing. We've got Magic Wallet down on the inside, takes up the running. Moving up now in between runners is Pilya, and on the outside is Big Sky. 4 lengths for the back and for the favorite, and that is Erica's Charm. Running on the outside, 5th, number 5, Calaguas Island, and Believable is running at the tail of the field. Close to the 1/2 mile distance, it's Magic Wallet by about 2 lengths, followed by Big Sky. Magic Wallet by about 3 lengths now. Big Sky still in second, 2 lengths for the back in third. Pilya getting closer now. Erica's Charm, Calaguas Island, and Believable. Rounding at a far turn, it's still Magic Wallet. Still in front by some 2 lengths, followed by Big Sky. Pilya remains in third. Here comes Erica's Charm from the outside. Believable is running by the rail, Calaguas Island. And as they reach the home stretch, it's still Magic Wallet in front by some 2 lengths, followed now by Believable down on the inside. Big Sky is running in third. Pilya on the further outside, and down the stretch they go. It's still Magic Wallet, Believable, Pilya, Erica's Charm, and down to the finish. It's now Believable, Erica's Charm, Pilya, and finally Believable, Erica's Charm, Pilya, Magic Wallet, Big Sky, and Calaguas Island.
Okay. So 3-4-2-1-5, unofficial ang datingan po dito. Here's the unofficial winner, and number 3, Believable, clocking 116.6. Sa 1200 meter splits, 24.6, 23 last quarter, 29. Okay, pagsunod na rektas, still alone in front, pace setter number 1, Magic Wallet, at well, laking bagay no, nakapag-menos ng dan yung eventual winner natin dito, numero 3, Believable, saving ground sa tabing balya. Makita natin at this point, last 200 meters, segundo pwesto na. Unlike do sa tinahak na daan nung Erica's Charm at Pilya. Actually, yung Erica's Charm na nalyamado dito, medyo bukang dinaanan pagsunod ng rekta. At this point, pakuha ng unahan, eventually na number 3, Believable. Merong late charge coming from number 4, Erica's Charm, the top choice to salvage second here in race number 1. So 3-4-2-1. Order of arrival here in race number 1. Okay, pairings. Double sales sinabot ng 314,350 pairings pa sa numero 3. Second page sa 4, 605. Sa 5, 677, 999. Sa 6, 7, 178. Sa 8, 162. Sa 9, 160. Sa 10, 114.